world's biodiversity is under threat. Flora, fauna, and cultural heritage are disappearing at a speed never seen before. At Nature Heritage, we believe that well-planned conservation strategies can make a difference. Our team has traveled around the world building bridges between scientists, NGOs, governments, local communities, and the private sector. Our scientific research includes field ecology, captive breeding, conservation genetics, and even the description of new species. We work in conservation management, capacity building, and training in different ecosystems and cultures. Our communication services help to increase environmental awareness and preserve cultural heritage by supporting conservation projects, getting involved with local communities, and promoting corporate social responsibility initiatives. We provide coaching and environmental advice to companies aiming to become a biodiversity positive business and helping them to be more sustainable in a changing world. Conservation is no longer a sideline topic. It is the knowledge we all need to understand the future. Nature Heritage, creativity, experience, excellence.